he ran by and then came in the side and shot me an elbow. You know, it is what it is.
So who got him? I could have sworn I hit him, so I might have hit him while I got out. I seen a gun barrel come around the corner.
Yeah, I'm a fogger too, man.
Oh man, it's rough, dude.
I didn't want to buy one of these because I thought I couldn't get like a cheek on the gun.
Yeah.
But man, I tried.
I just want to see.
I freaking, yeah, dude, I'm telling you, man. I used to
Are those the dye mask? Which mask is that?
It's the dye I5.
Yeah.
I mean, the I4 is pretty much the same, but this one's got a little more coverage around the jawline, which could be a good or bad
We
thing.
have a mask like that, but it's not the dye. And it fogs a little bit, not horrible.
If it looks like this one,
Similar, yeah.
the dude, one of the guys after I bought this, he's like, you should have just went to GCB and bought the gray mask that looks like a dye mask,
Yeah.
and these lenses fit in it. And then you buy that mask for $29, get the lens for $49, and then instead of $200, you spent like $80. You know, that's a good way to get around it. But
$25, so I can't expect too much.
yeah, but I tried not to spend a bunch on iPro, man. But I'm telling you what, dude, it's worth it.
Yeah.
Because it ruins the game when you can't see.
Yeah. When you're running and you don't know what you're seeing.
Yeah, I mean, I did it for a year, and I finally broke down and bought one, and then after my buddies left me with, I let them try it, and they were like, oh my god, dude, and they went and bought one immediately. Like one of the best investments I've made.
Yeah, me and the kids for a year.
Oh, okay, so it ain't that.
Now, as we get